Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about data integrity, computer viruses, malware, and how to protect your computer from these threats. What is data integrity of computer system? Data integrity is the assurance that your data is complete, accurate, and consistent. It's important for keeping your data safe and secure. Data integrity can be compromised by a number of things, like human error, hardware failures, software bugs, and malicious attacks. Computer virus. A computer virus is a type of malware that can replicate itself and spread from one computer to another. Viruses can damage your files, steal your data, or disrupt your computer's operations. Malware. Malware is a broad term that encompasses any software that is designed to harm your computer system. Malware can include viruses, worms, Trojan horses, ransomware, and other types of malicious code. Type of virus. There are many different types of viruses, each with its own unique way of spreading and infecting computers. Some of the most common types of viruses include 1. File viruses. File viruses infect computer files, like executable files, documents, and images. When you open an infected file, the virus is activated and can start spreading to other files. 2. Boot sector viruses. Boot sector viruses infect the boot sector of your hard drive. When your computer boots up, the virus is activated and can start spreading to other computers on your network. 3. Macro viruses. Macro viruses infect Microsoft Office documents. When you open an infected document, the virus is activated and can start spreading to other documents on your computer. 4. Script viruses. Script viruses infect scripts, like JavaScript or VB-script. When you execute an infected script, the virus is activated and can start spreading to other computers on your network. 5. Worms. Worms are self-replicating viruses that can spread from one computer to another without human interaction. Worms can spread through email attachments, file sharing networks, and other means. 6. Trojan horses. Trojan horses are malicious programs that are disguised as legitimate software. 6. When you open a Trojan horse, the malicious code is activated and can start harming your computer system. 7. Ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malware that encrypts your files and demands a ransom payment in order to decrypt them. Traits of virus. Viruses have a number of common traits, including 1. They can replicate themselves. 2. They can spread from one computer to another. 3. They can damage your files, steal your data, or disrupt your computer's operations. 4. They can be difficult to detect and remove. Symptoms of virus infection. A computer that is infected with a virus may exhibit a number of symptoms, including 1. Slow performance. 2. Unexpected crashes. 3. Strange messages or pop-ups. 4. Missing files. 5. Corrupted files. 6. Difficulty opening or saving files. Computer security. There are a number of things that you can do to protect your computer from viruses and other malware, including 1. Keep your operating system and software up to date. 2. Install and use antivirus software. 3. Be careful about what you open and download. 4. Be careful about what websites you visit. 5. Use a firewall. 6. Back up your data regularly. Antivirus software. Antivirus software is a type of software that is designed to detect and remove viruses and other malware from computers. Antivirus software works by scanning files and programs for known viruses and malware signatures. If a virus or malware is detected, the antivirus software can quarantine or remove it. Windows Firewall. Windows Firewall is a software program that protects your computer from unauthorized network access. It does this by monitoring incoming and outgoing network traffic and blocking any traffic that it deems to be malicious. Computer viruses and other malware are a serious threat to computer security. By following the tips in this video, you can help to protect your computer from these threats. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on computer security.